24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers.
Tell the students that the next chapter is about the advice given to a boy by his father. Read the text aloud to the children while they listen and read it silently along with you. I'm going to read it out for you. Father's advice. Ahsan and his family live in Karachi. He has two children, Hassan and Saima. Hassan is 12 years old. Saima is 7 years old. Their schools are closed because of coronavirus. Saima wakes up early in the morning but has nothing to do. She goes to Hassan's room and starts playing with his remote-controlled car. The toy car makes some noise and Hassan gets up from the bed. He snatches his toy car from her hands. Saima says, "I want to play with it." Hassan says, "Only boys play with a remote-controlled car. You can't. Go and play with your doll." Upon hearing their voices, mother comes in. She asks him, "Why are you scolding Saima?" "She'll break my remote-controlled car," replied Hassan angrily. "I want to play with the car," says Saima and starts weeping. Her mother says to Hassan, "Share your car with your young sister and guide her to control the car." Then their father comes in and said, "You must treat your sister kindly. Boys and girls are equal. You must respect each other because Allah has made everyone equal." Hassan realizes that he has been rude to her little sister. He feels sorry and says, "Come on, Saima, I tell you how to play with the remote-controlled car."